In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly navigate the Zappos website to check the status of your orders. Whether you're eagerly awaiting a package or simply want to review a past purchase, I'll guide you through each step to ensure you have all the information you need at your fingertips. First things first, open your web browser and head over to the Zappos website. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to log in to access your account details. Take a look at the top right corner of the screen where you'll spot the Sign In while Register button. Give it a click. You'll be prompted to enter your login credentials, your email address, and your password. If you haven't yet registered for an account, now's the time to do so, but let's assume you already have one. Input your information and you'll be transported into the world of Zappos. Once you're successfully logged in, direct your attention again to the top right corner of the page where you'll find your account or profile icon. Click on it and it will reveal a drop-down menu filled with options. From this menu, select My Orders. This handy section is your gateway to viewing both recent and past purchases. Here you'll find a comprehensive list of all the orders you've ever made on Zappos right at your fingertips. The list is organized neatly so you can quickly locate the order you're interested in. Click on the specific order you want to view, and a detailed summary will unfold before your eyes. On this page, you'll see several crucial pieces of information about your order. First is the order status, which can be in one of three stages: processing, shipped, or delivered. This provides a snapshot of where your package is in its journey. You'll also be presented with the tracking number and the name of the shipping carrier. This information is key if you want to dive deeper into the whereabouts of your package. Simply click on the tracking link provided for real-time updates. This link opens in a new tab with detailed info on your package's progress, offering peace of mind or the thrill of seeing how close it is to reaching your doorstep. And there you have it, everything you need to efficiently monitor your Zappos orders like a pro. By following these steps, you'll have access to your order details and statuses, helping you stay informed and organized. Remember, whether it's checking if your new shoes are en route or reminiscing about previous purchases, Zappos makes it incredibly easy to keep track. Enjoy your shopping experience and happy tracking.